Putting the safety and well-being of our children first is important to all Missourians and the mission of the Children's Trust Fund. It's unfortunate, but true. Child abuse and neglect is a problem faced in every level of our society. It isn't isolated to any certain neighborhood or class. It's a problem for all of us, a problem we must address now. When a child is abused or neglected, the pain and devastation can last a lifetime. The effects not only harm the victim, but can destroy the entire family. The physical and psychological impact can damage the victim's ability to form healthy relationships, creating a cycle of abuse that ripples throughout our society. The Children's Trust Fund, CTF, believes prevention is the key to ending child abuse and neglect in Missouri. Through education and awareness, we can stop abuse and build strong, safe families. The Children's Trust Fund is Missouri's foundation for child abuse and neglect prevention. Our core mission is stopping abuse before it occurs.
Prevention is so important because it is really the only way that we're going to be able to reduce child abuse and neglect and the tremendous cost to society and the tremendous healthcare costs that go along with an abused or neglected child.
CTF's prevention efforts include Strengthening Families Initiative, Parenting Education and Support, Mentoring, Infant Nurturing, Grandparent Support, Staff Training and Development, Home Visitation, Crisis Intervention, Safe Crib Programs, School-Based Education, Fatherhood Initiatives, and Research. Of course, an integral part of the Children's Trust Fund's mission is to award grants to fund and support community-based agencies and organizations dedicated to abuse and neglect prevention.
Without the Children's Trust Fund, there are many programs that we would not have been able to carry out. There are literally thousands of families that would not have gotten the help that they needed, and thousands of children that would not have been safe, that the abuse would not have been prevented.
In 1985, CTF announced its first grant awards to just 15 agencies. Today, with dedicated funding and generous donors, the Children's Trust Fund helps over 100 partners annually. The cost of these efforts exceeds $2 million and grows each year.
Since receiving the funding from Children's Trust Fund and the technical support, this has enabled the Caring Community Partnership in Randolph County to reach our core results of keeping children safe.
The money used by the Children's Trust Fund comes primarily from voluntary donations from people just like you. We do not receive general revenue money from the state. It's your contributions that will help make child abuse prevention a reality.
Through their funding, through their technical assistance, and through their support, they've made a huge difference in our state and certainly in our communities.
I have heard from a number of parents that their babies would not be alive today if it weren't for the crisis nursery and the funding that we get from the Children's Trust Fund.
Nurses for newborns would absolutely, unequivocally not exist were it not for the Missouri Children's Trust Fund. I can't even say how many babies' lives have been saved because of our partnership with the Missouri Children's Trust Fund.
You can help prevent child abuse and neglect in Missouri. Make a general donation to CTF or contribute through the Tax Checkoff program. Get your license to care. Be informed. Offer support. Be involved. Spread the word. Prevention works. Prevention is everyone's responsibility. Help us build strong families, safe kids.